in just a day. The Love Team also sold out the 55,000 seat capacity of the Philippine Arena in just 3 days.
On behalf of Maine po, I'd like to accept this award. Nasa US lang po siya ngayon for some vacation time, and we'd like to thank Eat Bulaga po, of course, Ms. Malu, Ms. Jennifer, and Mr. Tubiera for giving all-out support for Aldab. Kumbaga, Aldab lang po was just a beautiful accident. We really didn't know na aabot po kami sa 40 million tweets and to fill up the largest indoor arena in the whole world. So maraming salamat po to Aldab Nation, to all the supporters of Maine and I. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Congratulations, Aldab.